Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoyi. Today I'm introducing a cabinet-style double-head 300 gas stir-frying machine, custom-made for a client from Brazil, combined with a high-power stove. The length of this stir-frying machine is 1.8 meters. The width is 90 centimeters. And now for the height. Let's take a look. The height is 1.38 meters. On the left are the two 30-centimeter stir-frying units. On the right is a high-power stove. The customer uses liquefied gas. The machine's power is 100 watts and the voltage is 220 volts. It comes with a dedicated plug for Brazil. No installation is required upon delivery, just plug it in and it's ready to use. It includes a high-pressure water gun for easy cleaning and maintenance of the equipment. It's equipped with spare wear parts for export, making future repairs and replacements more convenient.